A warning from the nation's top infectious disease expert ahead of New Year's Day.
If you have plans to attend a large New Year's Eve celebration, you may want to reconsider. Fox 9's BC O'Neill joining us now live with more in the studio on this. BC?
Randy and Amy, Dr. Anthony Fauci says that people should avoid large gatherings where they do not know the vaccination status of all the guests. That's because right now the Omicron variant is fueling a surge in COVID cases across the country. Dr. Fauci says that small gatherings of vaccinated family or close friends will be safe. With an increase in COVID cases, there's concern about the burden all of this could have on hospitals. As a precaution, a number of cities across the country have already announced that they are canceling or scaling back their New Year's Eve events. For example, New York City recently announced that it will limit crowds and add more health and safety measures at the ball drop in Times Square. First Avenue in downtown Minneapolis is among several venues in the metro that has canceled its New Year's Eve celebration because of COVID. Dr. Beth Teeland, a University of Minnesota infectious disease physician, says while vaccines are protective, they're not perfectly protected against Omicron, and that there still can be spread if there are vulnerable people gathering.
And I think we've seen some really concerning examples of fairly large super spreader events with Omicron where, tens of people have, been infected from a single person. And so the potential for that, if one infected person shows up at a New Year's gathering with, 200 or 300 people, that could be a really large number of infections simultaneously.
Minnesota's test positivity rate right now is 8.6%. Anything over 10% puts the state in the high-risk threshold for community transmission of the coronavirus. Now, for anyone planning to take part in large New Year's Eve celebrations, they are encouraged to mask up, social distance when possible, and wash their hands regularly. And taking a COVID-19 test before attending an event and afterward may also aid in reducing the spread. Amy?
All right, BC, thank you. Well, the holiday